The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 314, effective until midnight Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Elk, McKean, and Warren. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 314 has been issued from 6:55 p.m. until midnight Wednesday for the following counties: Elk, McKean, and Warren. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 314, effective until midnight Wednesday. This watch includes the following county: Chautauqua, New York, and Ripley to Dunkirk. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cattaraugus County, Central Chautauqua County, Southeastern Erie County. This also includes Interstate 86 between exits 13 and 26 until 9:45 p.m. At 8:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles northeast of Chautauqua Institute, or 12 miles south of Fredonia, and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Some locations in the warning include Ashford, Franklinville. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight Wednesday morning for western New York.
All county public safety agencies, National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County, effective until 22:45 hours this date. Warren County clear.
Butte and Colorado. Intense thunderstorm lines can occasionally produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately
National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County, effective until 22:45 hours for Warren County.
This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant damage to property. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following county: Warren County, Pennsylvania. Strong thunderstorms are affecting the area. At 9:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms along a line extending from just north of Bradford, southward to just west of Warren. The storms are moving east at 50 miles per hour. Pea-size hail and winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with these storms. These storms will remain over main littoral areas of Warren, McKean, and northwestern Potter counties, including the following locations: Kittiute, Sugar Grove, Clarendon, Mount Jewett, Starbrick, University of Pittsburgh, Bradford, Lewis Run, Oswego, Eldred, and Bradford Airport. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may lead to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 15 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. Here's a short-term forecast for the following counties: Elk, McKean, and Warren, issued at 8:07 p.m. Strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible across north-central Pennsylvania until midnight. At 8 p.m., severe storms were just inland from Lake Erie. These storms will race southeast at 35 miles per hour, and the leading edge of the bed will be near Kelder's Port, Emporium, line by 10 p.m. The storms will likely contain dangerous lightning and gusty winds, along with hail and torrential downpours. This is a dangerous situation. Persons should seek shelter if threatening weather is observed, or a warning is issued. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 314, effective until midnight Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Elk, McKean, and Warren. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 314 has been issued from 6:55 p.m. until midnight Wednesday for the following counties: Elk, McKean, and Warren. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Warren County and north-central Pennsylvania until 10:45 p.m. At 9:44 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Grant Valley and moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sheffield, Grant Valley, Chapman State Park, Enterprise, Garland, Kittiute, and Clarendon. Intense thunderstorm lines can occasionally produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant damage to property. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following county: Warren County, Pennsylvania. Flash flood watch in effect through Thursday morning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood watch for portions of east central Ohio and Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in east central Ohio, Columbiana; in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Forest, Indiana; Jefferson, Pennsylvania; Lawrence, Mercer, Venango, Westmoreland, and Westmoreland Ridges. Through Thursday morning, 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain are possible as showers and thunderstorms move across the area. 1 to 2 inches of rain fell over the Wash area last night. A flash flood watch means that conditions are favorable for flash flooding. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Here is the latest national weather. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Forest County in northwest Pennsylvania, Mercer County in northwest Pennsylvania, northern Venango County in northwest Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were scattered along a line extending from 9 miles northwest of Oil Creek State Park to 11 miles west of Greenville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, tree damage. Locations impacted include Greenville, Sharon, Pleasantville, Hermitage, Cooperstown, Maurice K. Goddard State Park, Oil Creek State Park, West Hickory, Fredonia, Mercer, Sugar Creek, Stoneborough. This line of storms also is producing torrential rain. Poor drainage areas may flood quickly. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NewsPittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Forest County, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has...
That was a glitch, or maybe a National Weather Service screw-up. They issued a severe thunderstorm warning with a flash flood watch. That was weird.
5 minutes.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 326, effective until 2 a.m. Thursday. This watch includes the following county: Forest County, Pennsylvania. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 326 has been issued until 2 a.m. Thursday for the following county: Forest County, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh.
To all county public safety agencies, National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren County effective until 2200 hours this date.